Hi viewers, this is about filtered content copied into multi-sheets at a time through pivot table in Excel. If you see in product column, if you want to copy these fields into another sheet, it takes a lot of time. Each time you have to filter it and copy the filtered content into another sheet. For suppose, if you want to copy this CPU into another sheet, you have to filter CPU and copy and paste into another sheet. For each field, you have to do the same procedure. But if the fields are 2, 3, okay. But if they are 12, 13 like that, it takes a lot of time. I am taking extra product column with a name product 1. Why? Because these fields will appear on the top. Instead, I want beside the content. For multi-sheets, go to Insert tab, click Pivot Table, select Pivot Table option. Here we will get a dialog box like this. In this dialog box, we have to select a table or range. Here we have to give the table range. In this table range, no column shouldn't be without column heading. Here I need to select new worksheet or existing worksheet. I am selecting existing worksheet. Here worksheet means workbook. Here we need to give the destination cell address of the pivot table where to be copied. Here I am taking first cell of the sheet 2 as the destination cell address. Then click OK. Now the interface is like this. You can see right side pivot table field dialog box. Here 4 boxes are present. We require column labels and values boxes whenever we need subtotals, but this time we need only fields only. Here in report filtered box, the column which to be filtered that will be dragged here. You can see here product 1 column. This product 1 column is dragged to the report filtered box so that we can filter and copy into multi-sheets. All remaining fields, here you can see only product 1 is selected, remaining fields are not selected, means whichever dragged that will be in blue color, remaining all fields are dragged to row label box. Here you can see the data is appeared in single column only, but we need the content in multiple columns like a table. For this, right click on any field and select pivot table options. Here we get a dialog box like this. Click display. Unselect show expand or collapse button to remove minus symbols at each field. Now select classic pivot table layout option to get the content in multiple columns. Click OK. Now the data is appeared like a table. Here you can see a word blank in brackets. These blanks appeared because if you see in main sheet also some blanks missing content. To remove these blank words, press Ctrl plus H. In find word box, type blank in brackets. In replace with box, don't leave empty, but give one space with space bar. Replace all. Click OK. Now you can see the word blanks are removed. Here we have another extra word, that is total. This time we don't need subtotals. That's why we have to remove these total words. For this, click on Design tab. In Subtotal tab, click on Don't Show Subtotals. In Grand Totals tab, offer rows and columns. Now you can see the word total is removed. Now we have the master pivot table sheet, but we have to make this content into multiple sheets. CPU in one sheet, keyboard in one sheet, monitor in one sheet. For this, click on options. Again, click on options. Here we need to select show report filter pages. We will get a dialog box like this. In this dialog box, product 1 is appeared by default. Click OK. This product 1 is already dragged. Here you can see multiple sheets are created. CPU, keyboard, monitor. See the CPU sheet. With product code and remaining fields. Keyboard sheet. Monitor sheet. Viewers, in all these sheets, content is not formatted. For suppose if you see in code column, number format is not correct. To make all these sheets formatting at a time, we have to group all these sheets using Control plus mouse click. Click CPU, keyboard, monitor. Whenever they are grouped, the tabs are in white color. You can see with other sheets. Select the sheet which has more fields, for suppose CPU. Here we can change column width by selecting all columns. Double click. Column width is adjusted. Here we need to change number format in code column. For that, Control plus 1. In this, select number, reduce decimal points to 0. Click OK. Now number format also changed. Now we are giving color for column headings. So whatever the format applied for CPU sheet, the same will be applied to every sheet. You can see even keyboard sheet. You can see even monitor sheet. The same formatting is applied for all grouped sheets. To ungroup all these sheets, right click on any sheet tab. Select ungroup sheets. Now ungrouped. If you don't want main pivot table sheet 3, click delete. Again click delete. Viewers, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, give a like and share it. Thank you for watching this video.